I told you that in less than a minute, you could unlock Canva Pro features and start using premium tools right away? Stay until the end because I'll show you a real example to prove whether it actually works or not. First, you'll need a Gmail account and a mobile number. Don't worry if you don't have an extra one available because temporary email and temporary phone number services can be used. If you don't know where to get them, leave a comment below and I'll make a separate video showing several easy methods. Now open your browser and search for Auxum. Once you're on the website, enter your name, email address or temporary email, phone number, and create a password. Then create your account. After creating the account, you'll see a Gmail address and password provided on the dashboard. Copy them one by one because we'll use them for Canva. If you already have a Canva account logged in, sign out first. Then go to Canva and click Continue with Email. Paste the email you copied earlier and continue. Next, copy the password and paste it into Canva to log in. At this point, Canva may ask for a verification code. A lot of people get worried here, but there's no need to panic. You'll find a link on the page that provides several verification codes. Open it, copy one of the available codes, paste it into Canva, and click Continue. And just like that, your Canva workspace is ready. You should now have access to Canva Pro features. Let's test it with a real example. I'll upload a random image from Google and see if the premium background remover tool works. I'll click Background Remover and wait a few seconds. Wow, it actually worked. The background has been removed successfully. So that's how you can log in and access Canva Pro features in just a few minutes. Now you can explore the premium tools and use them for your projects. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more useful tricks like this, leave a comment below and let me know what problem you're facing or what tutorial you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.